Jamaica, and I say that. What about the other walking Indians and the few black men who were down here before him?
Welcome back. So in this video, we took a look at pictures from Jamaica in the 19th century. I believe these are very historic and important reflection in the country of Jamaica, in the sense that pictures and videos give us a vivid imagination of how the place looked like some time ago. And when we look at these pictures, which are from the 19th century, that is from the 1800s to the 1900s, it's really very nice to cast our mind back. When we look at things like this, it gives us an impression of how our forefathers lived during those times and those era. Now, looking at some key and major places or cities in the country of Jamaica and comparing it to now, you see definitely there has been some form of changes or improvements, but there are some buildings which are still there and are symbolic of how the place looked like in the olden days. So these are pictures from the 19th century, 1800s. So that is about 200 years ago. And you can clearly tell that technology has really improved right from the time till now, because those times pictures were in black and white, but now we are able to see pictures clearly in their colorful form, and even with a lot of details that we can normally see when we look at them directly. So this has given us a vivid imagination of how Jamaica looked like about 2 centuries ago. It was really nice to reflect in this moment. Put yourself in the shoes of your grandparents and look at how they lived in those times as compared to living in this time. I believe you recall some places which are quite familiar to you in these pictures. If you have been to some of the places that were shown in this roll-up pictures, you will be able to recognize some of the places that you have been to in the pictures that was shown over there. Let me know if you are from Jamaica. Which of these places are you so familiar with? Also tell us if the place is in the picture is so similar to its present day, or there has been a lot of improvements that the pictures are beyond recognition. Let me know all these in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Also, I believe this will be quite nostalgic to some of your friends and your family, so don't forget to share this video with your friends and your family on other social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, and other social media platforms. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Just click the subscribe button down here. Click on the subscribe button. Click as well on the notification bell. And I'd like to see you again in my next video.